How to make the footer smaller on Squarespace. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you all you need to do in order to make it smaller, because a lot of times people have this empty space in their footer and there's a lot of different ways to fix it. So let's just go and get to it and show you exactly what you need to do. Obviously, without having to say this, you'll need to open up your site with Squarespace login, and you should find yourself in this page. And right now, this is the footer that we have. I know there's no empty spaces that I have, but if you do, we can actually fix that and make it smaller either way. So to get started, you just want to go ahead and click on edit from the top here to edit your site. And then you just basically want to scroll down to the bottom of the page. So until we reach the site footer. And really all you need to do is just click on edit site footer. And then we have a few options here to select from and be able to change stuff. So there are going to be a few ways that we can play around with this, okay? And each way is going to be different. So for your site, however you have your stuff, with the layout and stuff, maybe it could be different for you which one you are going to be using. So the most simple one really is just if you go down, even for your footer, if you just go down, you should find this section here at the bottom right with the arrow with two different points. You can simply just drag this down or up to increase or decrease the height for your footer. So this is the most simple thing that you can possibly do. If this works for you, great. If not, we can also take this further. So what we can do is just click on edit section from the footer section. And once we do that, we can actually go ahead and adjust a few things. The first thing is the height, which is pretty much the first one, but from the top instead. So you can actually see it increases the height or decreases it. So this could be your ticket to make it smaller for you. Most likely than not, this is what you need to adjust. So just go ahead and make it as 1, and this is going to be the small list. And if you're still not happy with it, fine, just keep it 1 and we can just continue. Next, what I need you to do is just go to the gap section here, and you have 3 different options. The first one is going to be this one, which makes things a lot smaller. If you just click on it, you will see how small it actually does get. And I think this is going to be great for most people. If not, you can just go, this is the second one here is the default one, so I doubt you want to go for this one. And then we also have this 3 dots right next to each other, and if you click on that, you'll have the capability to decrease it however you actually like. So you can actually make it to turn out to be 0 if you wish. And yeah, you can decrease the height further, and it's also going to be custom here. Now, the last thing that I'm actually going to show you here to make it smaller is the row count here. You can actually go and decrease the row count to make it even more smaller. So I'm just going to go for this one just so it is more visible. And if we just decrease the row count, it's not decreasing because this is at the top. So let me just go ahead and move these things down a little bit. So if you decrease the row count, it's actually going to make things smaller, and I can't really do so right now. So yeah, try to decrease it, and it's actually going to be minimum 25 for me because of the type of elements that I have. But let's just try to move these things up one more time just to demonstrate this. So click on edit section, go to row count and decrease, and I can't really do so. Let me try to type it out. See if it makes a difference. Okay, no, minimum 25 for me, but I'm pretty sure that I was able to make it even less. I'm not sure why it's not allowing me to. Oh, I see. The social media. Okay, so now that we have this out of the way, we can actually go and make it smaller and smaller and smaller to make it look exactly how we want it to be. Like so. So yeah, this is pretty much all for this video. These are the different ways that you can actually do so. And if you want even more space, try to make your text a little bit smaller, because you can see with this template the text over here is pretty big. So you can just make the font size smaller, and that could also help for you to decrease the row size even further. But anyways, hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.